What is going on, guys? Stang Life here with another awesome video today for you. I'm going to show you guys how to make track bite, or as I came up with the phrase, Mexico hooker juice. So you mix this stuff up. It's 3 ingredients is all you need. You give it a quick torch, you do your burnout, and you're going to have all sorts of traction when you launch. So stay tuned. I'll show you guys how to make it. Let's get it. All right, guys, chemistry class today. Let's get our gloves on because this stuff gets sticky. I know, I just got a little bit of it on my hands. So, what you're gonna wanna do, go out and get yourself your favorite soda, so you can take a sip of it. But I don't drink soda, but in all seriousness, you wanna get something that has a lot of sugar in it, okay? Mountain Dew, this has 46 grams of sugar in this container, so. And then you wanna get yourself corn syrup. Now, I could only find light corn syrup. Regular would be better, but this will do. And then you want to get yourself an alcohol. So isopropyl alcohol, I like to use E85. That's what I run in my car. And it's, burns very clean and very well. But isopropyl alcohol will work, 91%. I don't know, Mom's Everclear. Some sort of polar solvent. Polar solvent is what you need. Don't use like gasoline, that's a hydrocarbon. You don't want to use that. You need a polar solvent, because it's water miscible. It's going to mix correctly with the mixture, and then it's going to burn fast, hot, and clean. Okay? So, you're going to want to take your soda, and you're going to want at least 2 times the amount of corn syrup as you are soda. So, because this is light and it's not the regular one, I'm just going to dump all these. This is about half empty. I'm going to dump all 3 of these into this half of bottle of Mountain Dew here. All right. All right. So once you got your soda, all of your corn syrup, and then your polar solvent, like I said, again, isopropyl alcohol, 91% or better. E85 works great, or like Everclear, some sort of alcohol. Mix all this together, right? You'll see it's mixing in there real good. If you need it a little thinner to spray out of a spray bottle, pump spray bottle, add some more alcohol to it. That ain't gonna hurt none. That's just gonna burn. So once the alcohol's in there, chemical process is going on. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna pour a little bit out, do a demonstration for you, and show you just how sticky this stuff gets. All right. Once you guys got that all mixed up, a little demonstration for you here. Pour that stuff out there. Best to do it with a propane torch, obviously, but for demonstrations, you see that's clearly on fire. I hope the camera's catching that pretty good. All those sugars are gonna bake up in there. Let that do its thing. Alright, I'm going to let that sit for like 10 minutes, okay? And then I'll show you guys how sticky it is. Alright guys, I let this sit up for about 10 minutes. I came back through. I blasted it real quick, just because when I poured it out, there was some thicker spots on the outside edge here. Alright, when you spray it on the road, spray it thin. You don't need to pour it out of the bottle like I did. I just did that for demonstration. But this stuff is extremely sticky right now. I got some on my fingers, and they're sticking together. I don't know if you can tell by the video, but check this out. Very, very sticky stuff, guys. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video on the homemade track bite. Remember, you heard it here first. That's Mexico hooker juice. Stay tuned. So in the next couple of weeks, I'm going to work on getting the quality of the films up. You know, I know they're not the best right now. I'm working off a cell phone, so I'm going to work on that over the next couple of weeks. Bear with me. We're getting this car on the dyno, and hopefully the track opens up soon. And I got some call-outs out there for some cars. So just stay tuned. Do me a favor, right? Hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. It helps me out, helps the channel out, and I'd appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Be safe out there when you're using this.